and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits where we make it easy for you to be creative. If we haven't met before, hello, I'm Moira Fuller. I'm the founder of Craftiosity and I've been teaching creative workshops for years, including for the National Trust and Anthropology. This month we're taking inspiration from the seaside. Well, the sun has been shining a bit and there's a promise of a long summer stretched out ahead of us that's definitely appealing. When I think of the seaside, a couple of things come to mind. The first is those gorgeous vintage travel posters that encourage you to explore the British coastline or perhaps the French Riviera. And the second is my own experience of the Yorkshire coastline near where I live. Stunningly beautiful no matter the month, rugged, calming and very much with a personality of its own. Maybe you've got somewhere like that near you too. So what's the project? Well, we're taking inspiration from the coastline to create this painted seaside cottages hanging. Now, before you say, oh, but I can't draw, don't worry, we have full templates and transfer paper inside your kit so you can recreate this design easily. If you enjoy drawing though, by all means personalise the kit with your own designs. We'll show you step by step how to paint, decorate and construct the hanging with full photo instructions in your box and a video tutorial if you prefer to learn by watching. Everything you need is in the kit. There's 4 little houses, 2 paints and a paint pen, which are so much fun to play with, as well as beads, thread, the batten and a paintbrush. If you've any questions on the kit, process or wider questions about Craftiosity, just let us know, we'll be happy to answer them. Doors are now open for new subscribers, so if you're keen to join us for this kit and to have a brand new craft kit landing on your doorstep each month, just follow the link below. There's more information on our website. This is a limited edition craft kit and last orders are this Friday 31st of May at midnight. If you'd love to get crafting with us, click on the link to learn more.